This year, many families, including yours, may be celebrating Thanksgiving Day virtually. Instead of large indoor gatherings, many of us are planning Zoom Thanksgiving festivities. And Zoom is lifting the 40-minute time limit on free plans for that very purpose. So, how can we make such a special day feel warm and human? Let's start by sharing as much as we can on the video call. It may get sloppy and noisy and choppy, full of glitches, but who cares? As long as you're sharing the love. Design a Zoom background like this one to create a festive visual for the occasion. Set times to connect with family in advance for meal preparation and feasting. Share recipes. Cook together in real time. Set a laptop or a smartphone in the kitchen so you can all cook at the same time. Feast as a family at the same virtual table. Maybe even have a contest for the best looking pumpkin pie. Exchange photos of past Thanksgivings in slideshows to honor established traditions. And consider creating new ones to make the most of the technology that we have today. For example, record greetings for friends and family who are unable to join the call. And be patient and flexible with technology snafus. Just think that it may take Grandpa a while to figure out how to unmute his microphone. Take a deep breath and pause in gratitude and make your Zoom Thanksgiving wonderful.